Hey crocheters, I have a fun new offer for you. If you love crocheting and want to be involved in my crochet community here on YouTube, you can join my crochet circle. That's right, I have jumped on the YouTube membership bandwagon to bring you a low-cost monthly membership that brings you some really fun perks here on YouTube. Joining my crochet circle is one way that you can help support my small business, and it's a great way to say thank you for creating the yarn-related content. The perks that are included are you get a loyalty badge that will pop up next to your comments and your live chats in my videos. These are different colored yarn balls that change for however long you are part of my membership. You also get access to my custom yarn-themed emojis. These are the graphics that I've used in my coloring book, and you can use these emojis in the chat and in the comments of my YouTube videos. And you also get priority reply to your comments that you leave on my videos. Yay! You also get special member shout-outs, and you'll get early access to my YouTube videos. I right now have just a list of videos that are sitting on there unpublished on YouTube, and you can see those right now before anybody else can. So early access to those videos, special loyalty badge, and really fun emojis. Just a simple way for me to say thank you for your support. I really enjoy being your crochet friend and a yarnfluencer. I hope to see you in the crochet circle. Happy crocheting.